Her attorney says there's no proof this woman took drugs to terminate her pregnancy or kill her unborn child. Purvi Patel's lawyer also says a pathologist performed the wrong tests to determine whether the infant was born alive.
WSBT's Kelli Stopczynski has been following this case for the past year. Kelli, a judge just decided the state's feticide charge against Patel is now officially part of the case.
And Jennifer, that means this will not go to trial as planned on September 29th. The state just filed that feticide charge Friday, more than 13 months after investigators found that baby in a Mishawaka dumpster, and prosecutors charged Patel with neglect. Today in court, her lawyer told the judge the state's also threatened murder charges against Patel from the beginning. Purvi Patel's lawyer, Jeff Sanford, told the judge he's caught behind the 8-ball because the feticide allegation involves what happened when Patel carried the baby before birth, and the neglect allegation involves what happened after delivery. Sanford called them completely different medical issues. To convict somebody of neglect of a dependent, you have to show someone is living and has to be fully expelled by the mother, Sanford said. We don't think the state can prove its charge based on the evidence we're being presented with. According to court documents, a pathologist said the baby was born alive and had taken a breath. Sanford told me he has major concerns about the way the pathologist did those tests. He also says additional types of testing should have been done to prove or disprove the theory. The feticide charge stems from Patel's alleged confession to detectives she obtained 2 drugs from Hong Kong in an attempt to abort the child. Court documents also say Patel told a friend in text messages she'd taken the pills. But Sanford pointed out to the judge detectives never recovered any medication or packaging. He told me they only have a picture of packaging recovered from a cell phone. And Sanford says the state has not given him information about the amounts of drugs in Patel's or the infant's systems. Sanford told the judge the newly added feticide charge puts him at a disadvantage. He says he's talked to expert witnesses but didn't hire one because he didn't think the state was going to file it. But the chief deputy prosecuting attorney, Mark Rule, said the state has been clear from the beginning that we would charge feticide if the case went to trial. And for the first time since the state charged her in the case, Patel did not appear in court this morning. The judge said Patel had a health situation and instead included her on the phone. When the judge asked Patel how she was feeling, she said she was in very severe pain.
This is not the first delay for this trial.
No.
And it's not really, I mean, it's common, I guess, for a lot of complicated cases and, you know, something you certainly see in the court system.
That's exactly right. We see this happen all the time, especially when you have medical experts involved. As we heard her attorney say, he needs, and more than one charge now. That's complicating this case too. Both sides scheduled to meet in court again Friday, and then I expect them to set another trial date, excuse me, then for this case.
Yeah. It takes a lot of time. We know you'll keep us updated. Kelli, thank you so much. A couple of